program, and the voice is Miss Shumaila Shazli.
Okay, बच्चे, let's discuss first simulation. Ali's family eat 232 eggs in breakfast every day. How many eggs does he eat in a week? So, here you can see the amount is given is 232 and there is no other amount is given because they are saying us that they eat eggs in a week. So how many days in a week? First we find out how many days in a week. Who will tell me? Yes, 7 days in a week. Okay, now how many eggs are there? There are 232 eggs. Okay, so it means we will multiply these two digits so we get the total amount of the eggs. So mention the 7 here and mark the multiplication sign. Now 7 2s are 14. As you know, the two digit number are here, so 4 will be here and 1 carry forward to the tens place. Okay, then 7 3s are 21. Now this 21, in this 21 this 1 will be added. Okay, so it becomes 22. So 2 will be here and 2 carry forward. Now 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus this 2. Now it becomes 16. So I write it the 16 over here. So it means the whole family eats 1624 eggs in a week. Yes. Now the next question. Let's see what is the next question. There are 9 students in the class and 81 tickets. If the tickets are divided, the word is using divided. It means this question is related to the division. Equally among the students, how many tickets does each student get? So, for the division purpose, we need to make the division over here. 81 is outside and 9 is inside. Now, I told you so many times that you have to learn the table 2 till 9. Why? Because in this type of the question, we need the table. Tables is very necessary. Okay, so you have to learn the tables. Now read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. It means 81 is coming in the table of the 9. So when will it come? It come when 9 nines are 81. So mark the minus. In the division we are doing the subtraction and in addition we are doing the, in multiplication we are doing the addition. Okay. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. So it means what we get? What we get it? We get the answer 9. So each student will get 9 tickets. Each student will get 9 tickets. Okay, so this is the answer. So this type of the question will come in your simulation. It's simple, easy, but depends on your concept. If your concept is clear, so you can solve this question easily. Okay, bache, now check this question. 44 plus 56 plus 20. So what will be the correct answer? There are 4 options, A, B, C, D. Okay, remember this thing that I will provide the options. It's this simulation will be based on your MCQs type questions. Okay, I will give you the options. You just tick the correct answer, but I will need the rough work. Okay, so you have to do the rough work first. 44. It means 44 plus 56 plus 20. So without the rough work, I will not consider your answer. So in simulation, you have to do the rough work. Okay, 6 plus 4, it become 10. 0 here and 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 120. So it means the total is 120. Which option is correct over here? Let's check. 130. No. This D part is correct. So I will mark or correct this D part. Okay. I take my lunch at 12:30. Like this type of the question, lunch. When we will take the lunch? We take the lunch on in PM. Okay. Okay beta, now the next question is, how many more mm to make a m? If I give you the question like this and I give you the amount like 460 mm, first you have to remember that thing, that 1000 mm is equal to 1 m. How many 1000 mm become 1 m? 1000 mm become 1 m. So I give you the 460 mm. So how many more mm you need? For this purpose you have to minus this 460 into 1000 mm. Okay, now for this purpose you need to do the rough work. Without the rough work nobody do the questions. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we borrow from the next digit is also 0, so we borrow from the next number, so it become 10. Now 10 I give 1 to this 0 and it become 9. Okay, 10 minus 6 is become 4, 9 minus 4 become 5. So it means 540 more mm you need to make this 460 mm as a 1 m. 1 m means 1 meter. Okay, mm means millimeter. Now the second question is that 776 mm. How you solve it? As you know 1000 mm make 1 m, so you will minus it. Do the rough work. 776. Okay, 0 minus 6 is not possible, borrow, here is also 0, borrow, here is also 0, borrow it, it become 10. Give 1 to it, it become 9. Now give 1 this to it, it become 9. 10 minus 6 become 4, 9 minus 7 become 2, and 9 minus 7 become 2. So you get the answer is 224 mm. Okay, so through this method you can solve this type of the question. First you have to remember these value, that 1000 mm is equal to 1 m. 1000 mm is equal to 1 m. Now check the next question. 24 minus 0, we don't know what will be the answer, then plus 2, then we don't know what will be the answer, then multiply this answer with the 4 and then you get the answer. So for this purpose you need to solve this. 24 minus 0, is there 0 has value? No, 0 has no value. So 24 remain 24. Now plus this 2 in this 24. If we add this 2 in 24, so it become 26. Now this 26 will be multiplied. Now 26 will be multiplied with the 4. For this purpose we need to do the rough work. 26 multiply with the 4. 4 6 are 24. So 4 will be here and 2 carry forward here. 4 2 are 8 and 4 2 10. 104. So it means 104 is our answer. Okay. What we get? We get 104. Got it? Some boxes. Okay. If I write some numbers in these boxes like 8 here, then we have here is 24, here is 18, and here is minus 6. Okay, now we have to find the answer from 8. Okay, here you can see here is the addition sign, so it means 18. We have to add the 18 with the 8. So 8 add with 18. Okay, 8 in 8 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward, then 1 plus 1 it become 2. So answer of this 2 is 26. Here is the 24. Here is the 24 minus 6. So what you have to do? You have to do the rough work. Without the rough work we can't do the math. So make a habit of rough work. Okay. Now 4 minus 6 is not possible because 4 is smaller than the 6. What we have to do? We have to borrow from 2. It's remain 1. Okay beta, mention these numbers. It is quite easy for you to remember this thing. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, how much you will get? 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you get the 14, 8. Okay, and here remain the 1. So what will we get the answer? You get the answer 18 over here. Now this addition sign means these two numbers will be added. So we get the correct answer. These two numbers will be added. So we get the answer. Now for this purpose, you need to do the rough work as well. 26 plus 18. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So 4 here and 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1 is become 3 and 1 4. So you get the answer 44. Very good. So what we do over here, we just first solve these two boxes and get the answers. Okay, and when we get the answer, we add this answer because there is a addition sign. Okay, if there is a subtraction sign, so you have to subtract it, but here is the addition sign. Okay, so I added, then I get the answer. For this whole question, you need to do the rough work. Okay, so these type of the question will come in your simulation. It's easy, but it's all about your concepts. Okay, you can solve it. I already provide you the options, so you can solve it and just circle the correct answer. Thank you so much for the watching my video. Better this video is based on your simulation, upcoming simulation. So try to practice these type of the questions from the book. And I hope you enjoy your maths activity that we have done in activity room. Now you get prepare yourself for the simulation. Okay, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself and remember me in your prayers.